My name is Mira. I want to learn English. I think English is difficult. But my friend Arav says, English is easy. I ask him, how can I learn English? Arav says, start with small steps. I say, okay, I will try. Every morning, I speak 5 English sentences. I say, I wake up. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I say, I eat breakfast. I go to work. These are easy sentences. I say them slowly. I say them again and again. I watch cartoons in English. I listen to the words. I repeat the words. I learn simple words, eat, sleep, run, walk. I say them aloud. I speak without fear. Arav gives me 5 words every day. I write them in my notebook. I make sentences with them. I say, I eat food. I say, I walk to the market. I say, I like music. Sometimes I make mistakes. But I don't stop. Arav says, mistakes are okay. I say, I will try again. I speak with confidence. I watch English stories on YouTube. I learn new sentences every day. I say them with action. I act, I speak, I smile. I use English at home. I talk to my mom in English. I say, how are you, Mom? She smiles and says, I'm fine, Mira. We both practice together. I also practice with Arav. We play English games. We ask and answer questions. It is fun to speak English. I feel happy when I speak. Now I believe. English is easy. Practice makes me better. I will not stop. I will speak every day. You can also learn like me. Yes. English is very easy.